welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Crystal and I love to share home decor with you guys. We've recently remodeled our house. We're not quite done yet, but we're getting there. And in today's video, I wanted to decorate this entryway for spring, and I want to show you guys a really fun, you can use it as a centerpiece, you can use it like next to your sink. Anyway, a little idea for spring, so stay tuned for that. And let's just get into it. I have shared this space with you guys in a recent video. I'll link it below. When I hung up these wall sconces, and when I put this together for the first time since our remodel. But I wanted to start with, I love things in a basket. So let's start there. All right, I love this basket from Target. It is darling. And then I picked up these Cosmo like wildflowers at Hobby Lobby recently. I shared in a video, and I'm going to start with this, and I'm just going to put this right here. Ooh, I need to take off the tag. So am I the only one that never takes tags off things? Let me know. I'm terrible at it. But I will come back in a minute, and I just don't want to pull out the tag because I don't want to ruin the basket. But I'm just going to start with this right here. Okay, next up I have these really fun bunnies from Pottery Barn, and I'm not usually a Pottery Barn shopper, but these are they were such a good deal. If they're still available, I'll link them below, but they're pretty good size, and I feel like the color of them just works with any kind of spring decor you may be wanting to do. So I'm just going to put him right here, and I think I'm just going to put the other guy in front of him like that. Next up I have this cloche, and I just have some white eggs that I got at Hobby Lobby. This I got from a local boutique, but Wayfair does have something identical to it. So I can't link anything because my link thing is broke, but hopefully by the time this video goes up it'll be fixed, and if it is, I'll have it linked below. Anyway, I'm just going to put this right here on the end here, and I like that, like the woods all tied together. And then if I had a cute bow, I would put it on there, but I need to buy some Eastery looking, spring looking ribbon because they don't have any, but I think that would be really cute on there as well. Right, and to this, I have these wicker carrots that I bought years ago from TJ Maxx, and I'm just going to layer those right here around this cloche like that. And then I have these two ottomans down here, and I thought, I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. And I kind of wanted to like spruce it up a little bit. Okay, and how I want to do that is I have this plant stand that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I want to just kind of layer it right here. And then I have this garden box, fresh flower box, and I have some faux tulips. They're like the Real Touch ones. And I've had these for probably 5 years now, and they're still pretty. You could never tell, but up close they have turned more yellow, and they were bright white, but I still think it's pretty, and especially for spring. And I'm going to just put those on the top there like that. I wish this would stand up. And then lastly, I have this really fun sun hat. I actually got this in the Target dollar spot a few years ago, and I've only used it to decorate with. And so I love the cute bow on here, and I thought it would just be cute, like propped up there, like almost like she just came in through the door with her flowers, and she took her hat off and set her flowers down. What do you guys think? All right, next up I'm going to show you a fun little like floral arrangement I love to bring the outside in for spring. And I was recently at the grocery store of all places, and I found the most beautiful ranunculus flowers ever, and I couldn't leave them there. So I brought them home with me and I potted them up in this really cute galvanized pot. I'm just gonna plant them up like I normally would outside. There is a hole in the bottom of this that we drilled, so when I water them, I do have to water them at the sink, but it doesn't bother me. They're not going to last for a very long time because they're spring flowers, so I'm not expecting, even a month out of them, really, maybe just a couple weeks. And for $8, it made my whole entire weekend. So I just started off by picking off the yellow leaves that were on there, and then just potted them up in there. And then I styled them in my tray for my island, but something happened to that clip, and so I just have the clip that I took from my phone that I uploaded a reel. So if you're on Instagram, you've already seen this, but I wanted to share it here too because I think it's just a sweet little pop of spring. If anything, if you do nothing to your house and you just bought some fresh flowers or garden flowers, it will change the whole space. Fresh things just bring the space alive. So here you'll see how I styled it on this tray. I also have moved it over by my sink, which I really like, just so it could get a little bit more sun, but I just paired it there with my cute stuff that I usually have on my island. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video with more spring content. We have had a few changes, and I can't wait to share them with you. I did share one of them in the community tab, so if you want a sneak peek of my new bedroom, that is where it's at. And then Erin finished my table, so I will share that with you guys in my next video. I don't have a lot of time today, so I wanted to film, edit, and upload in one day. So if you're seeing this today, I hope you have a good day.